Hey there, Photogs. It's Paige, the Phat Photog here. Today is Phat Tuesday, which means I'm dishing out another funky, fresh, free tutorial. So grab your party beads and your computer and let's get started. Today, I'm going to be using the Content-Aware Crop tool in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how we can reorient our images or expand our backgrounds using the Content-Aware Crop tool. As you can see here in this image, it's oriented in a portrait orientation or vertical, and I want it to be landscape or a horizontal orientation. Now, if I had enough space around the eggs, I could just crop the image the way I want it and be done with it. But what happens when you don't have enough space? Let's take a look. I'm going to select my crop tool from the toolbar to my left here. Let's say I want to crop this for Etsy, so I'm going to put in the Etsy listing ratio, which is 500 by 403. Now my crop tool is sized properly, but as I move it down, you can see that it's going to crop off part of the eggs. And if this was a product photo, it would be unacceptable to have part of our product cropped off. My other option is to expand the crop tool outside of the edges of the image. But I think we can all agree that having white bars on the side of our image like this is not going to be a good look. Luckily, in Photoshop CC, that's the subscription version of Photoshop, they've added a nifty tool called Content-Aware Crop. Content-Aware Crop allows you to magically expand your background with one click. To activate Content-Aware Crop, I'm going to check the box right here that says Content Aware. And then I'm going to pull my crop tool the way I want it, get this centered up just the way I want it. And once I have this looking how I want it, I'm going to press the big check mark here, or you can also press Enter on your keyboard. Now Photoshop is going to magically fill in those sides for me. So there you have it, a magically resized and reoriented image. A few things to note. This is going to work best on images with a solid background. If your photos have a busier background, your results may vary. You also need to have Photoshop CC, which is the subscription version of Photoshop. I suggest the photography plan from Adobe to all of my clients. It includes Photoshop and Lightroom, and it's only $10 a month. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Doing so helps me know that you like what I'm dishing out to you, and it encourages me to make more free tutorials for you. Until next time, stay groovy and keep on clicking.